What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good afternoon. And welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. Still doing these, basically what I do in these videos is we go over some of the news around Luna Classic, if there is any. I don't think there is any, but I might have missed it. Didn't really do a lot of research this morning, so let me know if I missed any news around Luna Classic. And I'll pin your comment. But yeah, apart from that, we'll look at some burn statistics, how it's going with the new 0.2% burn tax. Instead of the 1.2% burn tax. We already saw that yesterday the burns were down massively. That's also why, as you can see, I mean, this is just a little bit ugly, but you can see that my expectation is for Luna Classic that we'll just continue this downtrend we've been in. Not necessarily at this speed, because you can see that it's quite a severe, quite a strong downtrend we've been in. I'm not sure if we'll do it at that same pace, but I do think that that we'll continue it. Right now, our main resistance level is around 24,000 and 24,500. What's saving us a little bit right now with Luna Classic is that the market was relatively bullish over the last 24 hours. Relatively, it's not bullish, but you know. But I still expect us to maybe get up to 24,500, maybe even spike up to 25,000. But I don't think we'll break that. I think we'll continue back. I think we'll continue down towards 22,000. Around 22,000, there's actually a support level, not a strong one, but that could actually hold us for a little bit. But still, over the next weeks, I expect to drop down to this level right here, between 20,000 and 18,000. And at that level, I said that before, the only reasons or the only scenarios in which Luna Classic could actually become bullish again or could have a rally is if we have bullish fundamentals, such as a new burn proposal, a lot being burned, a great exchange listing, either that or a very strong support level, all right? Because in the end, and you must not forget that, the community behind Luna Classic is still one of the strongest out there. So at a strong level, if some big investors actually buy there and people see the price going up again, people might actually buy in again. And that strong support level, in my opinion, is not 22,000. As I said, it's a support level. It's not that strong. But this level between 20,000 and 18,000, it's a strong psychological level, and technically it's a very strong level as well. I mean, you can go all the way back down to the past. And so from there we might actually have some sort of a rally, like 20-30%, not a huge bull run. We're not getting up to our all-time highs, but still. So yeah, it's waiting for that. And as I said, I mean, some things could happen that change this, but unless we get bullish fundamentals, I don't think we're getting out of that downtrend. Apart from that, as you know, what I always do is I check out that text. See, we're not burning any Luna Classic right now, almost none. 50 million a day. That's not going to cut it. That's really not going to cut it. You'll need ages of burning this amount to actually burn through half of the supply or something. Apart from that, I mean, in 2 days we will get another Binance burn. I think it's probably going to be less and less because the volume is still decreasing. It's now at 160 million. It's weekend. Volume always decreases in the weekend, but still. It's not great, so I expect that Binance burn to be under 2 billion, probably like 1.5 or a little bit more than 1 billion, and so that's not going to cut it either. So the burn is really decreasing, and that's just another confirmation for a downtrend like this. So yeah, it's hoping for bullish fundamentals, but it's definitely not looking sunny for Luna Classic right now. So that's my take on it right now. I think I'll be back with another update on Luna Classic tomorrow. I cannot promise that, but for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Have a great weekend. Bye.